Lindsay here at Planet Acoustic. Do you remember a few months back where I taught you this lick in the key of G? Well, you'll be delighted to know that you can play that nearly the same lick in the key of D. So that's using it going back to a G. You're in the D. Slide from 3 to 4 on the D. 3 on B. Then slide from 4 to 7 on the D. Get the 7 on the B. Then slide up to the 10th. 10th on the B as well. And then jump back here. 8. That's a hammer on pull off. 7, 8, 7. And then 9, 7 on the G. And then you're back to the G note, which is the 8th fret of the B string. So again, that's... So I use it in the song Big Sandy River. Probably use it in a ton of different ways, but anyway, there's the lick. Use it how you can. Have fun with it. Subscribe to Planet Acoustic.